Hello everyone again. This time it's Tomy and Trackmaster again, if you like. Now, Trackmaster brought out some new trucks, and here's the first lot. This one's got a load, and that one's got part of a crane, and this one's got two more parts. All these make up one crane, and I'll show you that later on. But just for interest, here's the older Tomy truck, and this is the new Trackmaster version. And okay, the other one's got a face on, but this one's got some printing on instead. You can see the difference in the length of them, and they've both got shallow load areas for the big wheels. But underneath, you've got the metal axles on the Tomy, and you've got complete plastic axles and wheels on the Trackmaster one. Doesn't seem to be too bad, but we'll see how they perform. Looking at the artwork there, the strapping and the planks very similar. They've just shrunk it down for the new wagon. I don't know whether they do these with faces on yet. We'll have to see. Could make our own, couldn't we, if we wanted to? So we'll put these down and see what they look like. I've got two more engines to show you. Percy, second hand from Bolton, and the black Douglas loco from Ramsbottom, no less. Okay, so there's the crane now. It's fully assembled, 4 pieces: the base, the tower, the green cab, and the yellow load. It stood next to Donald at the minute, so let's see Percy go around as well. I've given Percy some different loads just for a bit of fun. Here we have Donald. He's second hand, and he came from Ramsbottom. I've had to glue on the nameplates again, they were nearly falling off. But apart from that, it's a nice engine. There's some marks on that plate, I just can't get them off, I don't know. We'll just leave it be. A buffer beam on the back, red, I don't know. I've shortened this coupling. It was already broken from another item. I've shortened it there. There you can see what I've done. It's a standard coupling, and I've just drilled a hole further close to the engine and cut off the remaining pieces. The gap between the tender and the loco it was far too much. It's pretty big as it is, but it was far too much. Again, look at that, the tender's got a buffer beam on the inside as well. On that side, yeah, that's fair enough. So I've got some marks again on the lining there. There's nothing I can do about that, that's just the way it is. And when I looked on the net, I think Douglas is supposed to be number 10. I don't know. So perhaps you guys can tell me more about that. So let's see Douglas in action now.